Good evening. Thank you for joining us for a look at Miss Amato's classes this year. This year, I teach access point classes in civics, mathematics, and unique skills. Our class expectations are to be on time, be prepared, and be respectful to others. Materials needed for this year are green composition for civics, blue composition book for mathematics, pencils, and colored pencils. Most of you have brought your supplies in at this time, but we are still looking for a lot of pencils. We need those to be writing on a daily basis, so please make sure you bring those in. Parents and guardians, we're asking that you please check their planner daily and sign at the bottom saying that you have reviewed the information that is written in it. Sometimes there will be information from the teachers, and other times there will be information of the daily assignments that have been done in class. Please feel free to contact me at any time. My email and phone number are written on this slide. Also, you can contact the school and they can get a message to me. I thank you